Hey everybody, Tom Swales here, Advanced Movement Therapist. I love the Nordic Hamstring Curl. I love what it does for strengthening the hamstrings and protecting the knees and just overall performance. But I suck at it, and I am working towards being able to do my full body weight up and down, but I got another alternative for you if you're struggling. Now, if you have the setup that I have here at Concept of Movement, to get a bench and hook your knees under, use bands, awesome. It's a great regression using a band around the chest to get full range of motion and really help you out in that longer range that's actually more challenging. But if you don't have that set up at home, I got you covered. So using sliders or even just using your socks on the laminate or wood floor at home, you're still gonna get the same angles in which the Nordic Hamstring Curl provides. However, your body is supported here and you're only moving the lower extremity, which regresses the difficulty and allows you to move through full range of motion. The nice thing with this is you have to start with a bridge. Well, you don't have to, but it's ideal to start with a bridge so you get the glutes and the pelvis in that posterior pelvic tilt in a lock position. So when I bridge up, I'm nice and stable and locked in here, and then as I let the legs slide, I'm getting that eccentric component into the hamstrings. But now at the end, I can really lock up my quads, kind of create this reverse plank, dig in, and then come back up. So you're still getting the eccentric phase of the Nordic without a lot of the potential strain in the hamstrings if we do too much volume. So we'll set this up one more. We're going to take a breath in through the nose, set the core, purse lips, allow the ribs and everything to pull together, flatten the spine, dig your heels, engage the glutes. So you should only feel tension here and here. Brace the core, slowly let the legs drop out, fire up those quads at the end, and then you can slowly come back up. Now if you want to add a quick phase in the concentric phase, slowly go out, fire back up. Slow out and back up. You can do a little bit more repetitions with this because the level of difficulty is much less and there's less potential for injury into the hamstrings. And if it is too easy, we can take this to a single leg. So we're going to set up, bridge, slide, curl. Okay, reset each time. If you lose that glute lock, come back down, lock the glute, slide back out, pull it back in. And if you can't do the concentric, that's fine. Slide out, work on the eccentric, put it down, reset. We all know how important it is to have good, strong hamstrings through a full range of motion in order to protect the knees, the back, and improve performance. If you like this video, head over to tomswales.com, head over to my YouTube channel, like, subscribe, and you'll get more insights and more regressions, progressions to help rehab as well as improve performance.